Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through recovery mode on OPPO K13x. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume down button at the same time and hold it for a few seconds. And you can let go your power button when you see your logo on your screen. And from here you have to use volume buttons and you have to choose your language and then press power button to select. And now select format data and you have to enter your verification code. Then click format and click OK. And now you have to wait for your device to reboot. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform full setup over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.